Betty has a way of bringing out the best in people. She's a tenacious advocate for equal justice, and she has one of the strongest moral compasses of anybody I know.
She's a truly consistent, honest, and true to herself person. What you see is what you get. I say this with a sense of hesitation because I don't think she would talk about it this way. Her impact as a driving force in this community, legal and otherwise, has been as impactful, I think, as any mayor or council person, because it's been consistent and nonstop. I mean, nonstop for 30-some years.
I decided to go to law school very late. In my senior year of college, I was planning on going into social work. I started looking for jobs in my senior year, and it didn't seem to have enough substance, and I applied to CU. And I liked the school right from the start. It was an open, friendly place. I think my class was about 150 people, and I'm pretty sure there were 10 women. And, overall, I think I got a really good, solid education there, which one does appreciate as one goes on. I had good friends in California, and a friend of mine sent me a job announcement that included the Harriet Buey Center.
The center provides a voice for the voiceless with some of the most important life-changing problems, and a lot of these people would be lost without the center's help. It can be domestic violence, it can be custody issues, keeping children with the parent. Betty has as thorough a knowledge of family law issues as anybody in this city.
And her legacy is really about having taken the complex, complicated legal structure and integrated that into the betterment of the community to the tune of hundreds of thousands of people.
I think it's a tremendous impact that Betty has left by her years at the Buey Center, influencing legislation, influencing statewide rules of court that make things easier for very low-income people to access the courts. It's stuff that doesn't make headlines, but it's very real and important.
It's nice to be in a position to look back and say, not only I don't have any regrets, and I'm kind of proud of what I did, attributable to a good, solid legal education.
Betty is probably very embarrassed by the award, but I also think she's grateful for the recognition of people in her position doing pro bono work.
It's hard for me to understand getting accolade, really it is, because I'm just doing what I like to do. Some people like securities litigation, some people like business litigation. I just happen to like public interest. And to that extent, if you have to be held up as a role model, it's okay.